I am scared. I am literally scared. Like, be scared. So I was just twisting my hair and I was going to shiny bump it. But then I thought, why am I doing this? Like, why am I going through all this stress and struggles? Like, why? Many of you didn't know. I think around in January or something like that, I texturized my hair. And then I didn't like it. But I was rocking it for a while. And then it got damaged and I started to clip it. And I was okay with it for a while. But no, it's annoying. It's mad annoying, the fact that I have new growth and then the end is thinner. And it's just annoying. Alright, so first I'm going to have my water bottle because I need to know exactly where the new growth is. So when I wet it, you will see here is a different texture. So guys, I'm just so scared. I'm scared. Let's go. So, Jesus. If I cut one, I know that I have to go through the waist. So let's go. So I am finished. Yeah, that's the hair all cut. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to do my edges and see how well I can, work this thing. And then yeah, I think I look the same. I don't know, you tell me what I think. I did it! I finally did it. Oh my god, I'm so nervous. Oh god, look at that. Today I have a new look for you. Oh my god! Wow! And yeah, new beginnings. Yes, me cut it off. I just couldn't bother anymore. I cut it off, and I was nervous at first, but now I think I feel relieved because it's finally done. Yeah, and I kind of do some finger twirl thing up there, and you guys tell me what you think. You think it fit me, but guess what, guys? I think I am ready to go to the beach. So anybody want to take up that offer, you know, I am here. Yeah, not going anywhere. So it's a new look, and you know, guys, you know, some enough see. We have them things here long time. I'm just literally just take off the tag off all of them, and I just think new V-La-Nessa, new attitude, new beginnings. Yes. So let me know what you guys think. Check my video out and tell me if you fit me. I know I'm still a bit skeptical about the look and everything. This is new. I never ever done a big chop before, and just decided to just take the leap of faith, you know, step out on the ranch. Yeah, if it broke, it broke. But this is it. The good thing about this is that we have wig, and it's not that short, so I can always braid it. So yeah, tell me what you guys think. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so whenever I release a new video, you will be the first to know. But tell me if you want some hair updates though, because my hair is like one of the hardest hair to take care of. It's a 4C hair. I not even know if a high porosity or whatever you call it or low. I don't know. I just know so the other day I started using flaxseed and chia seed, and I seen a big difference, and I think I may continue doing that. So if you guys want to follow the journey, let's follow the journey. And I think I may go to the barber to go and shape up the side and all that. I don't know, but yeah, tell me what you guys think.